everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. So for today's video, today we're going to be talking about half wigs and everything to do with half wigs and all the details about my hair right now. So let's get into it. So for this hair, I have a half wig, as I said a million different times, but it's in the texture Yaki straight, so it's not a normal half wig, okay? It is different. It's different. So how are we liking it? How are we liking it? You know, I styled it myself. I did it myself. You know, it took me only a long time because I have to curl it. Okay, I have to curl it. I had to look presentable for YouTube. So if you want to know how I got this hairstyle, how I styled it, everything, then you keep on watching this video. Okay, so today this video is sponsored by ISEE Hair. They sent me a half wig. This is in the texture Yaki straight and it's in 24 inches. I cut some layers into it because I know I'm gonna curl it. So this is how the hair is looking. So I just wanted to include this video of how the wig looked right when I unboxed it. So this was before I put any layers into it and before I dyed it. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I did dye this wig black. But this wig is very thick, very true to its length, and it may not have came across like that with all the layers in it. It has the comb at the front, it has the combs at the side, so the left and right side, has a comb at the bottom, and it also has a drawstring. This wig also came with a wig band, but I took it off because quite frankly I don't need it. I don't really use wig bands, or this was called a wig band, a wig strap or whatever. I don't use them because this is already secure enough for me. Like, this is all I need, so I don't really need that. This is the box that they gave me, or that it comes with, and this is what's in the box. Another wig strap, a melton band, a wig cap, and just their contact information. So for my liba, I left out about like 1 inch of my hair at the front, and I don't have my hair braided at the back. It's just in a little bun, so I don't feel like to braid my hair, so that's fine. I'm actually just gonna leave my hair wrapped up and I'll just deal with this later. I'm just going to comb it here. What did I say? Oh, I'm gonna just put it there because, like, what am I talking about? I'm just gonna be doing some curling iron curls, and yeah, that's it. I want it to be like a side part kind of thing, so